I'm almost ready.
You said that 20 minutes ago.
Just a little more time.
We've been waiting for an hour.
I know. I'm sorry.
What are you doing now?
I'm doing my makeup.
You're still doing your makeup?
Yes, I want to look nice.
You already look nice.
That's sweet.
But we're going to be late.
5 more minutes.
You said that 10 minutes ago.
This time, I mean it.
Are you sure?
Yes, I'm sure.
Okay, I'll wait outside.
Thank you for being patient.
No problem. You're worth the wait.
Oh, you're so sweet.
Now hurry up.
Okay, I'm coming.